Welcome to the topic using the Python interpreter, idle. After completing this topic, you will be able to use the Python interpreter idle, write a basic program to display the text Hello World. In the previous topic, you learned about installing Python. Now it is time to start writing code. The standard Python distribution includes a development tool called idle, which allows us to write code and run our code easily. When you launch idle, a new window opens up. This is the interactive shell. These three greater than signs are the Python prompt. You can type any valid Python expression here, such as a simple arithmetic expression. For example, you can type 2 plus 5 and press enter to see the result. Or type 5 asterisk 2 and press enter. Here, the asterisk is used as a multiplication operator. For division, we use the /. You can even enter longer expressions. The operators for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, and power are built into the Python language. These operators follow the usual precedence rules. For example, 3 plus 4 into 5 will display a result of 23. In computing terminology, the modulo operator, also known as modulus, finds the remainder after dividing one number by another. It is said as x mod y. For example, 17 mod 3. You will learn details about arithmetic operators in the next module. Now, it's your turn to experiment with the arithmetic expressions. In the code challenge that follows, try to enter all the expressions in the given challenge.